Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you step-by-step tutorials how you can make YouTube thumbnails using AI, and it's completely free. If you are a new YouTuber and if you are a student and if you want to make free thumbnails using AI, so this video for you. Also, you can use as your business purposes. Okay. So nowadays thumbnails is the great way to grab your audience attention. That's mean the fast click-through info. That's mean systematically it's called CTR. That's mean click-through rate. The chances is higher to get views. Okay, so that's mean if you want to grow your YouTube channel fast as a beginner, so make sure your thumbnail is really eye-catchy. Okay, like we don't have good configuration computer and other resources. Don't worry at all, we are going to use AI tools. It's really awesome. So I have already uploaded a video. Please check out this video, and also I am making this video for you guys because many of you just or message me that to create this kind of videos. Okay guys, so first of all, as a beginner, what you need to do to create this kind of, so you can use your mobile phone, also you can use definitely your computer or laptop. Okay, and you don't have to spend any single money. Okay, so this is the image that you want to create. So also you can create this kind of viral images. So it's a viral image, you can create this kind of images. Okay guys, without creating this image or thumbnail, you can easily download this. Okay, so like if you want to download this image, what you can do, just click on three dot and you can see download and JPG 70% quality. That's mean you will get 70% quality this image. Also you can upscale this using another AI tools. Okay guys, so let's introduce these tools. It's called Ideogram. So you can just type in your Google Ideogram. It's called Ideogram. Okay, .ai. So it's a AI generated 3D enemy realistic design software like tools. You can generate your own images, thumbnails, okay, and viral images as well. Also without creating, you can download these images. Let's see if you want to download this photo. Okay, so you can easily download that. I've already showed you guys. Okay guys, so maybe you are thinking it's not a YouTube thumbnail. Don't worry, I will show you how we can create your YouTube thumbnail. Okay guys, this one. Okay, so you can use as your mobile background or cover. Alright guys, so let's create our first thumbnail. Alright, so before jumping into the video, if you are watching first time, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss the AI video tutorials and make money online tutorials. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so let's generate our first thumbnail. So what will you create? So click on here, describe what you want to see. Okay, and you will see the option where you can write, also you can paste your prompt or text. Okay, the right side bar you can see some settings over there like magic prompts, aspect ratio, a visibility model, and color palette. The most important thing, aspect ratio for YouTube thumbnail. Make sure it's always 16:9 ratio. That's a mobile version. Okay, 1:1. It's a other social media like Instagram. And also you can select the color palette. So select this one. It's time to create our prompt. So let's go to ChatGPT and you can copy and paste this my prompt and you can generate. Okay, so I'm just asking ChatGPT to write a prompt so that I can generate a eye-catchy thumbnail, and obviously the CTR will be high. So I just wrote it here: create a prompt for YouTube thumbnails about making money on Amazon in 2025 with a great facial expression so that audience can connect with the image and CTR will be good so that I can generate AI thumbnail. Pretty simple. Okay, you can write as your own that ChatGPT generated. Okay, show a person yourself with a surprised or excited facial expression holding a laptop or pointing to a stock of dollar bills with. So you can read it out and it's amazing guys. Okay, so I'm just copying this text prompt and let's back to Ideogram and just paste it here. So you don't have to do anything else. Okay, also you can change the article or text prompt. So it's time to generate. So let's click on generate. Alright guys, so our image is already generating. It's 37% complete. Here you can see, and also you can see the waiting time period. It's a 294 seconds, 81% complete. Alright guys, here you go, the 4 different thumbnails. Okay, so let's open this thumbnail. Alright guys, this is really amazing. Look at the facial expression and the bold make money Amazon 2025 new strategies, and background Amazon symbol, okay, and some dollars. You can check this prompt and you will see and you will be surprised. Also let's check this second one. It's the another one, it's really amazing, and the third one and the fourth one. So I think that first two are really amazing, so you can download this, also you can download this, okay. So which one is better, one or two, just comment below. So I'm going to use the second one, this one, because it's pretty very clear to Amazon symbol and dollar and make money on Amazon. The style is really awesome, okay, and the expression is really good. Okay, so it's time to download this image. How we can download, as I showed. So I'm going to show you another one. Just click on right and save image as, okay. So you can download as this way, but it will not a JPG or PNG, it's a web version. No problem, you can change it later. And the another one is click on three dot, go to download and download the 70% quality, okay. So this is how you can generate, guys. It's really amazing. So if you find this video is helpful, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any queries also you can write it here. So no more today, see you in the next video. Have a good day.